I almost just blundered that. That was bad. That was really, really poor. Breathes back. All right. I'm gonna try to just win a very slow sort of middle game. I scared you guys? Yeah, I scared myself too. I'm gonna start creating the classic screen formation on the sideboard using the pawns with the hook behind it. Like this is like the screen formation. You have all the linemen up in front, and you start pushing these pawns up the board and going for a quick attack. Now, do I play knight c2 or do I go b4 and try to overload the queen side? I think I'm gonna go knight c2 and try to actually use my knight here. Everybody, yeah, rock your body, yeah, everybody, yeah, back, all right, back streets, back, all right. I probably shouldn't do this when I'm gonna go b6 here. I'm gonna go f3, chip away at the structure. I've got the classic connect 4 here. I think now what I actually want to do is I want to put my knight on a5 if I can. Yeah, I'm gonna go for this very dirty setup. How do I do this actually? I'm gonna go here. I'm misplaying this naturally. A little bit surprised by that decision. How do I reroute this? I need to use these pieces on the other side of the board. Somehow I need to get after this base. Let's go here, stop bishop g5. Oh, great. I was winning this and now I've messed this up. Okay, now I've finally consolidated. So now I feel like at some point I'm gonna have to sack. Maybe I go here and rook a1. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely be sacking in a move or two. Back streets, back, all right. I'll obviously do that. I don't know, I'm just gonna go for it. Just sack and take. Maybe knight c3 and b5. Yeah, I'm gonna just start pushing my p here on the queen side. I have rook a7, of course. Let's go here. Wait, takes rook a7, and what's his move? He has nothing because I have the legendary connect 5. Should be winning. Wait, what? Did something happen? What's with all the emotes? What did I miss something? He's got rook d7, which I didn't see. Wait, but I can go b7 and rook a8 and I win. There we go.